Well, things just got worse for crypto, with more cryptocurrency lenders going under this week. In particular, we need to talk about Voyager, which has filed for bankruptcy. Also, a platform called Vold suspended withdrawals. It's been pretty much crazy. More general market chaos as the fallout effects of the failure of major crypto firms continues to unfold across the cryptocurrency market. So in today's video, I want to break down the situation for you, but most importantly, to tell you what you can do to keep your coins safe while all of this chaos is going on. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about investing. Now, if you do like that topic and you would like to learn more about it, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and, of course, smash the like button. But only smash the like button if you do believe that Bitcoin is going to make a new all-time high and that $69,000 was not the top for Bitcoin. Okay, let's do this. So, a major cryptocurrency lender, Voyager, we've talked about them a few times before and all the chaos going on there, they just filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And while some are trying to spin this as a good thing, oh, it's only Chapter 11 bankruptcy, it's really not that bad, the reality is that this is a crap situation. Customer funds could be tied up for a pretty damn long time. Who knows how long it takes? Months, maybe years. How long will it take for all this to play out is anyone's guess. And it is, of course, very uncertain if regular depositors even end up getting anything back, or how much they'll get back if they get anything. It's a pretty tough situation and it just sucks. Then we also had a platform called Vold halting withdrawals this week, which is like the 7th or 8th lender to halt withdrawals. A larger lender, Nexo, is likely to be buying them out. Some good news amongst all the chaos, though. It seems that Celsius has actually paid off its MakerDAO loan. So there was about $500 million worth of customer Bitcoin sitting in Celsius. They've got that out. That's good news. Bit of a silver lining in all the chaos, I guess, but withdrawals still, of course, remain locked for Celsius, and the overall situation remains to be a very tense one. A former Celsius service provider has even announced that they're actually suing Celsius now, claiming that the platform was a Ponzi scheme the entire time. Although the timing of this particular lawsuit is quite suspicious, considering that these guys, their claim on, hey, pay us for the services that we did for your platform goes back like a year, so why wait until now? Anyway, there are other crypto companies, of course, continuing to cut off staff as well. Compass Mining announced a 15% staff cut, just the latest in a long line of crypto layoffs. Many of the major exchanges have had layoffs. The lenders, the mining companies, many crypto companies on the ropes. Overhired in the bull market, now they're cutting the fat. Really just lots of bear market things. And then this happens. We have a resurfacing of fears that the 150,000 Mt. Gox Bitcoin could be coming to the markets very, very soon, and potentially, of course, if that does happen, cause a damn big sell-off. Yikes. So look, things are shit. Great revelations here, Lark. You're probably thinking by this point, but what to do now, internet man? Well, here are my thoughts. Number one, get your damn crypto off of any lending sites, assuming that they still allow you to do withdrawals. Some of them still allow withdrawals. I was late to warn you here about Celsius on YouTube, and again, I am sorry for that, but I do hope that some of you listened about my other warnings about some of these other crypto lending platforms and got your funds off of those centralized lenders while you still had time to do it. And yeah, there are some lenders that are still alive, like BlockFi and Nexo. But I'll just ask you this, just something to ask yourself, perhaps. With rates in DeFi basically having completely collapsed across the crypto space, most stablecoin rates are like 1 or 2%, how in the hell are any of these lenders that are still operating, the centralized lenders, able to offer huge APYs like 10% on stablecoins? Where is that money come from? It doesn't make any sense. Oh, it made sense in a bull market. Yields were hot. Everybody's making loads of money everywhere. But at a bear market, those yields aren't there. The yields have collapsed. Got to question that, huh? Just remember, if you take your money out now, you can always go back to those platforms later if you want to. But with half a dozen lenders or more having halted withdrawals or even declaring bankruptcy in the last few weeks, is it really worth, knowing all that we know now, taking that risk at this particular time? Now, before I get on to number 2, I just want to interrupt the flow real quick to let you know that if you're not yet signed up to the Wealth Mastery Investor Report, now's a damn great time to do it. Every single week, twice through inbox, you're going to get information on the cryptocurrency markets, altcoins, NFTs, DeFi, and much, much more tips, tricks, and all that fun kind of stuff. You can actually sign up for free using the link down below in the description. And anybody who signs up by the 14th will go in the draw to win $1,000 in Bitcoin. You heard that right. Sign up for the newsletter, get $1,000 in free Bitcoin. Awesome deal. Now let's go ahead and get into number 2. And that is to get your cryptocurrency off of damn exchanges, at least the small shitty ones, for certain. Sure, your funds might be fine sitting on BINANCE and FTX, the most reputable exchanges, but the CEO of FTX actually recently came out and said that, hey, look, some of the smaller exchanges are already insolvent. They just haven't told their customers yet. Come on, man. I remember back in 2018, we actually saw quite a few exchanges disappear with user funds. Quadriga CX, very, very famous case. Cryptopia, also just devastation for people who left their money sitting on that exchange. I think the problem is that many people, they just don't understand what an exchange is. Let's be clear, an exchange is not a bank. It is a marketplace. Now, me personally, I keep a little bit of stable coins, a couple of coins that I'm currently have in order for trades over on Binance. But that's it. And look, just real clear, I have zero concerns about Binance, right? Just understand that Binance is not a bank. It's an altcoin bazaar. Personally, 98% of my cryptocurrency, it's sitting in wallets that I control the keys to. Ones like this. I know that cryptocurrency exchanges kind of feel like a bank or they feel like a stockbroker site, but they're not. The risk profile is different. Which leads me on to my 3rd point. Now, more than ever, is time to learn about and to act on self-custody of your coins. I highly recommend, if you do not have one, to get one of these bad boys. There's obviously a link in the description. If you want to buy one of these things, this is a hardware wallet. It lets you be your own bank. The whole reason that we do crypto, the whole reason crypto exists, Bitcoin, be your own bank, send money anywhere in the world, completely censorship resistant, all that fun kind of stuff. Now, when the bull market was running, it was cool for a time to lend coins, to get yields, to ape hardcore into DeFi stuff, but this is the great unwind that we're going through right now. We can see that the lenders, many of them lied or misled and people very much about what they were doing with their money. They gambled with customer money. It's a crazy scandal when it comes down to it. The 4th thought here, and I know it might sound kind of cliche, but it is for real. Seriously, never invest more than you can afford to lose, just straight up. I saw people saying stuff like they had put their life savings or their kids' college funds into some of these lending platforms, and it hurts reading that. It's absolute crazy. If all my crypto disappeared tomorrow, I would be upset. It wouldn't be a happy thing by any means, but at the same time, I'd be okay. So even me, as a diehard crypto nut, I've got money in stocks, I've got money in metals, I have money in cash in the bank, right? I learned early on that being 100% into crypto and having 100% of your crypto in one risky place, it's a dangerous, dangerous play. That's why I consistently move money out of the market. Crypto, when it's hot, it's so hot. Great for making money. But when it's not, well, shit starts breaking straight up. Companies go under, lending platforms going under. It's a mess. Altcoins, devastation. It's not fun, it's not cool, but it's what's happening right now during this bear market. And now, more than ever, it is important to keep your funds safe. You can't take advantage of the next bull run if you lose your damn coins. And while some may say we've seen the worst of the contagion from all this, lender unwinding and liquidations and stuff playing out, there's still plenty of wild cards in the market. So please do be safe and responsible with your coins. Your question for today, are you using a hardware wallet? If yes, which hardware wallet do you prefer? I like Ledger, personally. And if not, well, why the heck have you not got a hardware wallet yet, man? Come on. Let us know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.